Hi, I'm Chris and thank you for purchasing your Steam Clean Systems Easy Vapor 4.5 bar commercial steam cleaner. I'm going to take you through the operation of the machine and how the tools work so you can get the best out of the machine. The Easy Vapor has a set of wheels on the bottom for easy manoeuvrability, but if you need it just to stay in one place, there are 3 legs which flick out with little rubber stoppers on there, and that keeps it secure on the table. On the machine itself you have the filler cap. This is where you put in the clean water. Down here you have switches for steam. This switch is on the boiler. This is a ready light which comes on when it's ready to produce the steam. There is a steam gauge here telling you how much steam pressure there is. There's a steam volume regulator here, so you can reduce the amount of steam or increase it as you need to. And here is where you plug the hose in, it's the steam socket. Okay, so to fill up the machine, if you have pressure in the boiler, you need to release the cap 1/2 turn and allow the steam to disperse from the boiler. Wait for the pressure gauge to go down to 0, and then it's safe to release the pressure cap. So remove the pressure cap, and then using a container or a tap, we can put the water into the boiler. Then replace the cap. Don't over tighten. We switch the machine on, and then we wait for the machine to heat up. Okay, so our machine's all heated up and ready to go, and the pressure dial's moved up so you can see it's ready to go, and our steam ready light is on. We plug in the hose into this connection here, just pushes down and clicks, and here you have the steam gun with the steam trigger. There's a selection of tools for hand tools, and there's a selection of tools as floor tools. So we'll start here with the hand tools. This tool here is a detail nozzle which just pushes in and clicks, and then onto the end of this is a detailed nozzle brush. Push onto there, and this can be used for cleaning in sort of awkward places on your ovens, various places like that, the hard to reach places. Also does grouting and tiles, other bits like so. Next we have the triangular brush. Now this has some clips on here which you can press like that. If you want, you can put a cloth over there and use it as like a hand steam mop. And to attach this to the gun we need this intermediate adapter here. So this just presses in and it clips like so, and this part here pushes into this sideways, and then you lift it up until these 2 notches here match and slide this red thing back. Now that's fixed on there and won't come off. It twists at an angle if you need it to, or if you want it to stay in a fixed position, slide this forward into the middle. There are 3 grooves there, so you have the rear, the middle and then the front. In the middle that's now locked. So to release it again, simply push it forwards, twist this to the side and pull away. So. Then the other tool we have to go on here is the squeegee tool. This is another tool which just pushes on and locks as so, and this can be used for cleaning glass, stainless steel. You simply pull the trigger, steam comes out of these holes here, and as you clean your glass or your windows, it steams and squeegees it off at the same time. Okay, so that's the hand tools. We also have with this kit a set of floor tools. So you have 2 extension nozzles. Again, these just push and click onto the attachment like so. And there's also a second one, which again pushes, clicks like so, and that then allows you to reach the floor without having to lean down. Onto the end of the floor tools, you have the floor brush. So this has a scrubbing brush on it. The steam comes out from the holes in the centre, which can be used for scrubbing safety floors, various different types of floors. You can also use this as a mop. To use it as a mop, you take a cloth like this one. Microfiber seems to work the best for these. and you simply put that into the centre here to give it more surface area and to act as a pad. You then take another cloth, again microfiber would work best. I have here sort of a tea towel, and you simply place that over that like so. And then under here are some clips. Feed the cloth in underneath the clips on that side, feed the cloth underneath the clips on this side, and now you have a ready steam mop. This attaches similar to the hand tool, goes in at a sideways angle, twist it round ready to use, line up the two notches here, and then you can slide this back to lock it into position. Again, you can have it so it twists, or if you slide that into the centre position, it's in a locked fixed position. This will then just go onto the end of the tubes, and then you can use this as so to mop your floor. The Easy Vapor is self-descaling. Once a month you'll need to empty out the precipitate from the boiler by simply undoing this cap and tipping away any water and precipitate into a container or a sink or something like that. Once you've emptied that, pour a little bit of water back in, swirl it around just to move anything that's left in the bottom of the boiler, and then just clear out any of the remaining precipitate.